Alrighty, so this is going to be a very quick comparison of the LG G915 TKL, that Lightspeed that just came out, wireless keyboard from Logitech, using their Lightspeed technology. I have the Clicky switch, but I also have a Corsair Strafe with Cherry MX Blues, as you can see. And people have been asking me, what does the different sounds sound like? So what I'm going to do is just a quick sound test on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I'm just going to kind of slap the key and I'll kind of type on it and whatnot. And then I'll show you what I did to get around the micro USB port, because people were complaining about that. I don't know why. It doesn't matter, but you know, to each their own. Just a little magnetic charger. I'll cover that actually real quick. Basically, I have a little plug up there. It comes with it comes with 4 cables. And with each cable, you get one Type-C, one Apple, whatever they call their BS charger thing, and one micro B. And this is just a magnet and a little power. This cord only does power, no data, no fast charging, which isn't required for a keyboard and a headset. Like, that's just minor stuff. But if you have to charge, you just hover it over, bam, snaps to it. Pull it off. I have one on my headset over here, bam, snaps to it. Pull it off, bam, snaps to it. So I now have one cord for 2 things, and I'm trying to make it work with my mouse as well, because it's kind of a pain to squeeze that thing in there. And that'll be one cord for 3. So yeah, but let's do the quick sound comparison. So this is going to be the I'll do the Corsair Strafe first. So as you can see, RGB as well. Strafe obviously is a lot more vibrant and bright. This one is more color accurate though to what you see on screen. So to each their own, I guess. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit the G key. So this is going to be like I'm slapping the key. Okay, now I'm going to be typing the key. Okay, so there's that, and I'll bounce back here in just a second to that. Get this wireless one on some flat ground. All right, so this is going to be the Logitech now. So slapping the key. Okay, now just general typing. Corsair. Logitech. Corsair. Logitech. Alrighty, there you go.